going to Shifen. And this is our tour guide driver, Mr. Peter. We availed this tour from Kluk. This is actually railroad. And we're going to fly lanterns later. Nandito kami sa eatery sa Shifen. Ang bait ng driver namin. Siya yung kumakausap. So, ayan. Itong rice, nilagyan ng rice imbis na noodles. Fishe. Ayan. So, braised beef. Parang 60 yata yun. 60 or 40. Ayun yung price, oh. Hindi. Ayan. Ito yung mga food dito sa restaurant na yan. Ito yung pangalan niya. And they have lemon juice. Ayan yan. Oh, may mga juice pala. Ayan. Basically, this railroad lang sa Shifen Old Street. Here, we're going to fly a lantern and make a wish. Ajay, ikaw, wish ka muna.
Great color.
Oh, lahat tayo. That's 4 sides, right?
Health and peace.
Yeah. Health, wealth, peace, and happiness. Ikaw, any wish? Wait ni kuya kasi yung mga tao dito hindi ba mag-English. Yeah, change. Thank you. Yeah. Marunong na silang basic pero si kuya nagta-translate. Under Kluk, kahapon ko lang siya isang araw. You need 2 days na for reservation. Ate, money and wealth.
Yellow. Money.
Money,
Yeah.
more money.
Money, yeah.
Yes.
Lotto.
Millions.
Lotto, yeah.
Yes, we need millions of money, right?
Money. Yeah, you can buy the house.
You say hi to my vlog, Mr. Chen. He is very kind.
Yeah. Thank you.
Picture.
Hey.
More income for Gian. May income na. Alam na natin may income. More income, more money. More baon for EJ. More money, less expenses. Less na? Less problems. Hindi, pag marami daw kasing pera, walang problem. Oh, Papa. Yeah. Hey, kay Papa. Pero mo ako ng space, ha?
Money is the root of all evil. Millions. Diyos. Charot. Turn thousands to millions, right? Aim high. Dream big. Ano daw?
Everyone have a house.
Another property.
Another property.
Oh, prioritize daw natin yan.
happiness.
Happiness.
Mag-apply na kami ng lantern namin. Can you take a picture of us? Yeah, papakuha nga tayo.
Okay, together hold it. Ladies, come right here. Your right hand hold it.
Okay.
Hello. Hey, sir, together hold it, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, let's go! Let's go!
Later we go to the Shifen Waterfall, you can sell it. But you buy or you not buy,
Aha.
depend on you.
Aha. People will not get mad, the seller, no. Diba? Nakikipagkwentuhan ako kay kuya.
Buy here.
Aha.
I don't buy here.
There. Good thing it's not raining today.
Yeah.
Chikahan kami talaga ni kuya, oh. What's that?
It's black tea.
Oh,
Yeah.
black tea. Is this
Black tea,
delicious?
Yeah, delicious.
Yeah. Oh, are you giving this? Thank you. Ano? No. Si kuya namimigay ng, ang bait ni kuya, ayaw magpalibre ng lunch. Tapos siya pa yung nagbibigay ng drink. Grabe si kuya, ang pait-pait. I-book niya talaga yan. Kaso hindi naman pwede mamili. Yung car niya, 438K6. Hindi ko lang alam kung kanya to.
Tinan mo mukhang ilang beses nagasgasan.
Grabe. Ayan. Pupunta na kami sa Shifen Waterfall. Ayan. Let's go inside. Go inside. Ano tayo sa waterfall? Shifen Waterfall. That's where everyone is going. Sa bridge na yun. Si ate, oh. Talaga bumubuts pa papunta dito. Fashion over comfort.
Medyo bilis ng konti ang
Comfortable naman
lakad.
yung boots ko. Kaya.
Medyo bilis ng konti ang lakad. At time is cold.
Time is running.
Lịch trình em đọc có cái chỗ nào đấy rồi.
Layo pa ba?
Yan na yun. Punta dun. 1 kilometro.
Ano doon?
Dito, mag-picture tayo dito. Yun, sa ilalim. Yan yun, oh. Yan ang falls. Nasa ibabaw tayo, shit. So yun, nasa ibabaw tayo. Yun pala yung falls, oh. haba nitong tunnel na to.